you are the catalyst to everything that happens in your world, and how you're thinking and how you're feeling influences everything. And we know about this from the law of attraction. And so the thing that's happening at the minute, because we are going out of control, we are very fearful, we are uncertain because we don't know what's happening. So our animal brain is going into survival, which is why we're going into this panic state. And so you have to catch yourself, and you've got to repattern that emotional state as quickly as possible. And so there's certain things that you need to be doing every single day, which, these are like non-negotiables. And so, for example, how you do it is totally up to you, but meditation, yoga, exercise, dancing, anything that changes your emotional state from a place of fear or worry into a place of neutralness you need to do. There's a technique which is called EFT, which is emotional feeling therapy, I think, where you tap. Yep. There's a guy called where isn't it? Brad Yates on YouTube. So if you feel yourself going into these downward spirals from emotion, like, just do some tapping. I know it's like, it might look really fucking ridiculous, but I don't care if that then changes your reality and it gets you a different set of results. Like, you just need to do whatever it takes. And also it's a be it cause situation. So it's, how do I choose to react to the situation so that I can be at cause? And it's about breaking these states when you do go into these old patternings. And it's just thousands of years of our amphibian brain just doing this. So you need to do whatever it takes to get yourself into a state, and it's body, mind, and soul of neutralness. And so I also want you to think about what you're putting into your bodies. So what you're eating, what you're drinking, and one of the things that happens when we go into these places where you get knocked off kilter is we go back into bad habits. So we might start drinking more, or we might start eating shit and loads of stuff with sugar. And so I want you to be really conscious about what you're putting into your bodies. And I've got a resource sheet with suggested meditations and resources, and on that I've got a list of vitamins I'd be recommending that you take. Katie uses these oils called doTERRA oils, and making sure that you're going to bed early. Even if I know quite a lot of people at the moment are waking up in the middle of the night, and this is just your analytical mind, in this high anxiety state. So we've got to then work out how we sort of switch it off. And so there's things. So whether it's I use an app called PZIZ, PZIZZ, which basically is it talks to your unconscious mind, talks to your conscious mind, so you can go to sleep. So if ever I wake up in the middle of the night, I'll do that. I will quite often listen to podcasts or meditation that just switches off that analytical mind.